Hi techie guys, I'm Nandkishore Swami and today we would be continuing from our interview question answer series for PEG Robotic or OpenSpan. And today's question is what is local and global variable and how to create them, and what is global container. So variable is something that we usually use to hold certain value and use them as and when required. Local variable, which is having a limited scope for the certain project components only, and the global variable is something that could be used within the throughout the project's entire components, all the components. And global container, in the OpenSpan or PEG Robotic, there is an option called as global container. Global container use the global container project item to contain OpenSpan's components which are used in multiple automations in a project. For example, you would add a variable to a global container if its value is used in several other automations as well. So let's understand this in OpenSpan or PEG Robotics Studio. So let's go ahead and open up any of the automation. So I'm going to close this already open stuff. So let's go ahead and just locate your PEG Robotic variable option, and you can see certainly OpenSpan or PEG Robotic supports to the variable type, which is string, integer, boolean, double, date and time, character, color, font and rich text. So if you create any variable that would work within this automations only, this particular automation file only, then that would called as local variable. And if, say for example, this particular project contains like 2 and 3 or more than that automation files, and we want a variable could be utilized between different automation files, in that case first we need to add a global container. So how to add a global container? Simply right click on your project, go to add and add an item and select global container. So once you double click on the global container, it will add it, and then open up the global container and any variable type that you will create here. Like if I wanted to create an integer variable, then I'll just certainly drag and drop. So this variable could be utilized in the different automations as well, and these variables value would be available between inter automation files, and this is available within this entire project, not just limited to a certain automation file only. And so this is how we can differentiate between the local and global variables and global container. So that's it in today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.